So you've probably noticed by now that a lot of YouTube videos have these blue tags at the top just above the title, and that they look quite cool. They serve a functional purpose as well, in that if you were to click on one of these, it will actually do a YouTube search using that hashtag directly, which basically means it's going to search for any content that was tagged with that same hashtag. YouTube says that this is quite useful for ranking and SEO. It's difficult to guess how significant that's going to be in light of the fact that now everyone's doing it. It may be difficult to find situations where people would actually connect to your content through a hashtag, but it can't hurt, and it looks rather cool. So there are a few things that you should probably know about tagging, including how to make these blue tags appear at the top, how to tag your content, and even how to control the ordering. So if you go into your edit video screen, which I already have open here, you'll notice that you can put tags in a couple of different places. Now you can write hashtags directly into your description content or even in your title content. We're going to put one here called title. And you can also put tags into this special tags area. Most likely they are all available for searching, but they all behave a little bit differently in terms of how they are presented with your video. So let's have a look at what it looks like when we add. There we go. So here is a hashtag we've put in the title, and interestingly, not only has it put the hashtag in the title, it has eliminated all of the hashtags that I originally had just above that, above the title. So it's decided that if I have a title tag specified, that it should eliminate all other tags. Let's take that one back out and see what happens. We're doing a save again. Go back to our content. And now you can see it is showing hashtags above the title, which I personally think has a much nicer presentation. Now I've done that by putting the hashtags into the description, and they can go anywhere in the description, at the top or at the bottom. You'll notice that this first tag, I currently do not have a hashtag in front of it. I want to show you how it orders and sequences tags. We'll get to that in a second. And there we go. I've got my 3 tags, but I can also see the tags here repeated again in my content. Now, personally, I find that a little bit spammy looking, a little bit overbearing and unnecessary. So I prefer to put these at the bottom. The sequence in which you write them is the same sequence that YouTube will use when it displays them, but it will only show the first 3. So currently it's showing CMS collection list and collections. If I also tag Webflow, which is what this particular video is about, so I want that to be the first of the tagged keywords, now it's still just going to show the first 3. And you can see here I don't see those same tags repeated. However, they are in the description content. If I expand it, and here I can see all 4. Also notice that YouTube preserves the casing, the capitalization of the characters that you use in your tags for display, which can look very nice. However, it does not make a difference in the actual search. So if I put CMS here, I'm going to get the same result as if that was searched lowercase. That's pretty much all you need to know about tagging for now. Some of the ins and outs, tips and techniques on how to do it effectively. I encourage you to make use of them and look into specific SEO practices if you want to go quite a bit deeper in how to leverage this feature.